Assalamu alaikum. Grade 1, take out your The Science Factor book and open your page number 24. Today our topic is parts of a plant. A plant is made up of many different parts. The main parts of a plant are flowers, roots, stem and leaves. Each part has a set of jobs to do to keep the plant healthy. Here we learn the parts of a plant. The flower is where seeds are made and stored. A flower is where the seeds are made and stored. The stem support other parts of a plant like the skeleton in an animal. The stem also moves water to other parts of the plant. Look at this picture. Stem support above the ground and carries water and mineral to the leaves. The roots support the plant in the ground. The roots also take in water from the ground. Look at here. The roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. The roots also take in water from the ground and it also take water from the ground. The leaves are where food is made for the plant to live and grow. And look at here, the leaves collect energy from the sun and make food for the plant. Now look at next page. On the next page, we have some activity. Try this. Make an egg head. Put some soil in the eggshells. First of all, you put soil in the eggshells. Plant mug seed and put seeds in the shells. Draw funny faces on the shells like this. Okay, place the egg heads in a sunny window and place it in a sunny window. Give them a little water every day. Watch the eggs grow green here and you can see the eggs grows green here like this. Okay, the study of a plant. There is a name for the study of plant. Do you know what it is? Yes, the study of a plant is called botany. Learning is fun. Okay, complete the sentences. Number 1, seeds are made in the flower. Okay, you all know seeds are made in the flower. Number 2, foods for the plant is made in the leaf. We know leaves provide food to the plant. The stem acts like the skeleton of the human body. Now today's your homework is read page number 24 and now take care. Allah Hafiz.